Great morning, everyone.
Great morning.
Today we are here to perform 11th class activity. We are going to prepare a temporary slide of peel of cells of the onion peel. We are going to peel out the onion peel and then we will see, stain it, and we will see the cell of the onion peel. Firstly, what you have to do is just take an onion peel, remove it. This is the onion peel, which we need to see the cells of the onion, right? This one. Now what you have to do, take some water in petri dish and put it into this. Now as you know, this is transparent, right? We are unable to see the cell in the microscope clearly because these are transparent. So in order to see the cell, we are going to dye it or we are going to color it. For this we are using the staining solution, right? You have to stain according to the need of the cell. It should not be light and it should not be dark. Pour some staining solution into it and dip this peel properly and wait for 2 to 3 minutes, right? So that it gets stained properly. Till then, what you have to do, take a blank slide and cover slip and clean it. Same with the cover slip. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that the size of this peel should be small on this glass slide because your cover slip size is not too big, right? After few minutes, now I am going to remove it from this solution. You can see now it is colored, which means the stain over this peel. You have to place this peel over the slide. So with the help of forceps or needle, place this on this cover slip and spread over it. Now you have to spread it properly over the slide. Now you have to cover the slip. For this you need glycerol and pour over this slide. Now what you have to do, take this cover slip, you have to apply it properly. Place one edge of this cover slip over here and leave it like this. And just press little bit. This. Make sure that there should not be any bubbles, because if there are any bubble and you will see under the microscope, they will interfere between your observations. Your slide should be neat and clean as it is a temporary slide. See, your slide is ready to observe under the microscope. Now we are going to see how the cells of onion peels look like. The wall of the cell seems well defined with a well defined nucleus. The cell wall is clearly seen with the nucleus. If we zoom it, you can see the cytoplasm also present in this cell. This pink color present in the cell is your nucleus.